Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a man saying his prayers. So let's start the drawing from the top. We're going to draw the cap. Alright. We can put an outline like this and another outline on top. Then connect the legs like this. Okay. For the face, we are going to draw here the eyes, the nose, another eyebrow and eyes here. Alright. And as you can see that the man has a significant beard. Okay. Alright. This is the dress. I'm just drawing. Alright, let's draw a straight line up to this, and then we can draw another line here, and it's little bit wrinkled. So few strokes you can see here. I am putting the drawing segments and the wrinkles of the cloth, as you can see from my drawing, and the straight line I'm going to draw here. The buttons of the inner dress looks like this. Okay. Alright, and on the other side you can see hands like this. Alright, here you can draw another line like this and a few wrinkles on the other side of the hands. You can see the wrinkles here. Alright, so the basic drawing, as you can see, this is almost done. Now we are going to put some shades. Let's put the black color for the beard, as you can see I'm doing right now. This is going to be a different styles for the drawings. And the eyebrows, this is done. Now we are going to put some different colors for the nose, and the eyes here. All right, and the ears you can see from this place. Okay, the cap, it's like the light blue color. Okay, and you know the man's face, we're putting few colors to the border. All right, okay, and the dress, this is going to be, I think let's put this color here. All right, so for the hands you can see I'm using the crayon colors. As you can see, the use of crayon colors, this is nice. All right, and the same color, this is in the middle of the dress. All right, so the dress here, this is going to be red. You can see the color variations and the shades along the borders of the dress. We can use the pencils to darken this middle point. And we can use few strokes of this color to draw the hands. Alright, all the fingers are going to look nice. So we can see here that the drawing, this is almost complete and it's very nice. Alright, so the man is doing his prayer. Thanks for watching. As you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.